All right, what is up, guys? We are back again with three big old tips for Dropbox. First of all, we're going to go over these three little dots. Click on those. Click on comment. It'll take us to this page. And sorry, let's get out of this. Then we can quickly add a comment or thought to any document that we want, just like that. Okay, and then if we go back, here's another tip. We're going to click on these same three dots that we did before. This time we're going to click on version history. After we click on version history, it'll take us here, and we can restore any version of the document that we want. Now we're going to go back for our final tip for Dropbox. Alright, so this time we can click on these down arrow on open. And then if you have Word for the web or Google Docs, you can open the document in either one of these. I'm going to click on Google Docs. It should just pull up right here. There you go. These tips will help you in all of your life for Dropbox. Thanks for listening in on 3 helpful